As you can see here, the blend button is blinking, which indicates that we need to change our blender motor. In this section we'll demonstrate how to do this. First, we're going to turn off the power to our machine with the on-off switch. Next, we're going to disconnect the power source. The tools that will be required are a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, we'll start by unscrewing the bottom two screws on the side panel. Once this is done, wedge the flathead screwdriver to the bottom of the side panel and pull down with both hands. We'll now use our Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the main board cover. Once this is done, gently slide off the cover. The main board has 5 leads from the different motors and control panels on the machine, which each run into the main board. We will remove the ribbon running from the control panel, the blender motor, the shaver motor, the safety switch, and the power source. We also have 4 ground wires which are screwed into the rod, which we will remove at this time as well. Once all these screws are removed, we will gently remove the main power board and place to the side. The blender motor is on the bottom of the machine, so we'll remove the ice hopper and the lid and put the machine on its back so we can have access to the blender motor. The blender motor has 6 screws keeping it in place. With our Phillips head screwdriver, we will remove all 6 screws. Once you've removed the last screw, proceed to remove the motor. Remove the wire harness by pulling it through the access hole without harming any of the wires. Once you have your new blender motor and you're ready to install, reverse the process and put the wires through the access hole again. The new blender motor should line up exactly as the old one was. Once the new blender motor is securely screwed into place, you'll put the machine back on its legs and reattach the main power board. When doing this, you want to make sure to have all the leads and wires accessible after putting the board back in. We'll start with the power board wire. Now adjusting the blender motor lead, the safety switch lead, the power source lead, and the shaver motor lead. We have 4 ground leads. We'll put all these back together onto the ground post through the same screw. You want to make sure that you have 4 ground leads These will screw directly into the ground post. Once everything is reconnected and screwed back into the ground post, you then return the cover to the main board. Now slide the side panel back into place.